It's so bad because when somebody asks me where I'm from and I say Trinidad, and they say, where is that? And I say, in the Caribbean. And then they say, oh, Jamaica. That is when you know things bad. I fed up see Jamaica.
This is a public service announcement. So as most of you know and realize, I am abroad. I'm in a beautiful country right now. I'm not in the UK. And I'm sick and tired of people asking me if I'm in Jamaica. Is Jamaica the only Caribbean island you lot know? You lot need to pattern up and behave yourself. There's many other Caribbean islands. There's Trinidad and Tobago. There's St. Lucia. There's Barbados. There's St. Vincent and the Grenadines. There's Grenada. There's other islands that I can't think of off the top of my head. There's Dominican Republic.
Haiti.
Jamaica's not the only Caribbean island, so the fact that most of you are just jumping to, are you in Jamaica? Are you in Jamaica? Are you in Jamaica? No, I'm in Grenada. Stop asking me.
Why don't you say, oh, by the way, where are you?
Yeah, or what country are you in? Why do you lot just assume Jamaica? Like, bruh.
Hello beautiful people, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Hilary Reactions, and now before we even dive into today's video, I'd love for you to look at this. Now you see, Jamaica has been ranked #1 in the world by, or rather for, extending a helping hand to strangers, not just helping their fellow Jamaicans but helping strangers. Now the main purpose of this is that I need all of us to stand with Jamaica in these difficult times, because we know Hurricane Melissa did bad in Jamaica. So as much as they have been helping us, helping every stranger who goes to them, I love for us to extend a helping hand. Now, I love for you to be careful so that you don't get scammed to lose your money. Now, back to our video. This is a video of a Trini guy. I remember I made another video of another Trini guy who feels bad whenever people confuse him to be a Jamaican. Now, for this one, in this case, he is now talking about why is Jamaica getting all these praises? Why is Jamaica getting all these clouds in the Caribbean? Now, once again, I'd love for to play a full video for you, and also I'll play a video of Japanese people enjoying Jamaican milk. Now, this is just to show us that Jamaica is being celebrated globally. Now, remember, if you're coming across my video for the first time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment. So guys, watch these videos up to the end, and then I'll be back with a few comments.
Yo, how Jamaicans getting all the Caribbean clout? How Jamaicans getting all the Caribbean clout? It's so bad because when somebody asks me where I'm from and I say Trinidad, and they say, where is that? And I say, in the Caribbean. And then they say, oh, Jamaica. That is when you know things bad. I fed up see Jamaica. World boss, vibes cartel. Yo, Trinidad needs some recognition. What we doing, yo? What we doing? You know when things bad when you say where you're from and somebody say, oh, Jamaica. That's when you know things bad. We need some representation, yo. And guess what? Like I could see a whole bunch of other artists rep Jamaica and then they say from Jamaica. No, I respect the culture, but I just think Trinidad have more vibes. It just needs to be explored a bit more. It just needs to get put out there a bit more. Like really, Trinidad is way more vibes than Jamaica. If people think Jamaica is vibes, yo, come to Trinidad and you will see bare vibes. Only time I see Trinidad is getting represented is when they declare a state of emergency. Like bro, why all our viral moments had to feel like a criminal documentary trailer? Like really, why we can't go viral for a doubles vendor doing a backflip or some shit like that? Why it had to be that, yo? Check the day toll for the most viral moments in Trinidad, and it will say Soca Monarch 2019, Carnival, and then boom, state of emergency, lockdown on east side. What? Come on, yo. No. Meanwhile, Jamaica getting shout out for music, dance, and culture. And Trinidad is only getting recognition when the caption says police out in full effect. Bro, why is that the coolest moment? Every time it's Jamaica. You know when things bad because Some people just don't know the geographic map. So you know it bad when you say you're from the Caribbean and automatically think Jamaica. Brother, that is when you know it bad. We need some recognition. Who is willing to step up to the place? And recognition is very important too for the people, because we'll get shit. Every time I keep seeing Jamaica RAF. These people going on the raft in Jamaica and just vibing there. Yo, Trinidad way more lit, but much love to Jamaican people. You know, I love the chicken and shit, so.
So, serious questions for the Jamaicans. Why do Jamaicans think that Jamaica is the best country in the Caribbean when there's 12 other independent Caribbean countries? Is it... Well, you know what? Let me not even put my own opinion in there. I legit want to know what the other Jamaicans think and why they think that. And you know, the funny thing is not just Jamaicans that think that. I think that people outside of the Caribbean too, when they think about the Caribbean, they only think about Jamaica. So I'm not sure why that is the reason. I'd love to hear your opinion.
Needless to say, we're the capital of the Caribbean. So we got all the major players. We got okay, let's say Vibes Cartel. We got Usain Bolt. We got Bob Marley. We always make history. The other day, Messi come to Jamaica, man. We're the top of the top. We're the #1 travel. We're the #1 destination. We got the best beaches. Our food is the best shit. Y'all play our music anywhere in the Caribbean. Ain't nobody got time to listen to y'all. Right? Let's be real. Y'all take offense to everything about Jamaican. We're not even pressed by y'all. Y'all pressed by us. So if somebody refers to you as, oh, you're Jamaican, just be happy, bro. Just be happy you've been selected and been placed among the greats. Everything about us, you guys copy. So let's be real, yo.
My Korean parents tried Jamaican food for the first time.
jerk chicken. 콩밥. callaloo.
썬놈. 이거 뭐야? Jamaica. 왜?
맛있어.
How many times is
맛있다. 우리나라 밥하고 똑같은데 코코넛이 다르죠. 이게 너무 크다. 자. 김치가 오히려
김치 doesn't go with coconut.
이거랑 어울려.
이게 탄 게 아니고 약간 그런 카라멜 같은, 그래서 이런 거.
오, 먹어야지 그럼. 오, 너무 먹다. 야 이게 다 한 입하고 빼. 엄마 봐. 짠맛이야, 진짜. 우와, 오 맛있겠다.
좋아하는 꼬리.
오, 얼마 많냐?
장조림 완전.
맛있죠?
계란.
노란 거는 열매야.
어?
과일. 아키.
아끼. 와. 완전 예상을 딛는 거야 이거. 맛있네.
오, 괜찮은데? 이 노란 게 생선 그 내장에 보면은 요런 맛 나는 거 있어.
선나물 먹어보자. 우와.
뜻밖의.
오, 수지 선나물이다.
완전 똑같아. 시나물 똑같아.
브렌트라고? 브렌트?
자메이칸에서는 플랜튼.
브렌튼. 바나나보다 나은 거.
빵 같아.
자메이카 버시.
Tell you something. This is for educational purposes only, right? Peas and rice does not belong to Jamaica. Peas and rice belongs to Guyana. You know why? Read up your history. Due to the slave trade, Jamaica did not have food. Jamaica was a very, very poor island. And Guyana had to supply them with rice and beans. You understand me? Not even coconut tree not been a grow at Jamaica. Guyana sent coconut. So when all these produce reach to Jamaica, them Jamaican people say, you know what? Me go put the peas, me go put the rice, and me go put the coconut, and me go make peas and rice. Jamaicans need to thank Guyanese for showing them what peas and rice is. Yes. Do your history. Only thing Jamaica had is ackee, and ackee just kill you when you eat it. You understand me? I said a saltfish.
All them things what they eating in Jamaica. Is Guyana make Jamaica know about peas and rice? Google it. Yes. Me not joke. I'm shooting me attack. Yes. Peas and rice. Jamaican. Me not know where they come out with that. A Guyanese make Jamaican people know about peas and rice. Yes.
Now, once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your host, Tyrell Reactions. And now, remember, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, don't forget to give me a subscribe, a like, and also a comment. So, guys, I'd love to appreciate you all for giving me this much love and support. You remember from when we started from 0 to now, we are heading to almost 2,500 subscribers. And it's all because of you now. Your support keeps me motivated to keep on giving you great contents. Now, I'd love to put this across. These videos are majorly meant for entertainment purposes and educational purposes, and most of all, the credits goes to all the original creators of this video. Now, back to our video. I'd love to understand, or rather, I don't understand what is it with Trinidadians with Jamaicans. Why are they constantly fighting Jamaica? I mean, instead of using your time to complain or to us why Jamaica is getting all these praises, to complaining to us that Jamaicans don't know how to cook, Jamaicans does this, does that, why can't you just use this time, speak positive of your country, make videos of your country the same way Jamaican does? Jamaicans, they have learned to embrace their culture, their everything in their countries. They love everything. You might see Jamaicans complain about this person, this politician, this and this is not good, but don't ever disrespect their country. Now, another thing is that Jamaicans, they always talk positive of their country. You can never hear a Jamaican come out and say, no, this country does better than Jamaica, this country has the best dishes than Jamaica, this country does this, their influence is like this to the world. No. Jamaicans, they learn to mind their own businesses. They just sit back, do what's required of them to do. They don't give a damn about whatever you people will talk or do out there, as much as what they are doing is beneficial to them, respects their country, their culture, and everything in them. Because the reason as why I'm saying this is that there is a lady, or a video of a Bahamas lady, or rather Bahamian lady, who came out and said that rice, no, for her, she referred to it as peas and rice. She said that peas and rice belongs to Bahamians. Like, Jamaicans shouldn't even claim anything about it. Now, the most interesting thing is that Jamaicans, they were just relaxed. They let the fellow Bahamians talk for them. They said what's not good for them and what's good for them. And we can see this, that a lot in most of the cases, like even the videos you've seen about the Japanese people, families enjoying Jamaican meal, like, you can see Jamaicans, they never say that their meal is the best. They never said that. The world said that. Not people from Jamaica said that, but the world said that. They experienced the vibe of Jamaica. They experienced the great music of Jamaica. Like, Jamaicans, they are that thing about, if you're good, you don't make noises. You just mind your own businesses and let your actions and the world rate you. Now, in this case, you've just seen Jamaica has been ranked #1 in the world as the country that helps the strangers. Followed by my country in the 4th position. Now, guys, back to this video. I'd love to say this. If only some Trinis, it's not about all the Trinidadians, and my Trinidadian viewers, I want you to know that I love you so much, and I mean no harm with this video. It's just that there are some people who love playing the comparison game between Trinis and Jamaicans, and in this case, you can see it never ends well with them. It ends by Jamaicans winning always, and that's why I said this. Instead of people trying to compare themselves with Jamaicans, why don't they just do what they gotta do? They do what they have to do and let the world speak for them. Because we've never seen anywhere Jamaicans say they are the best. We've never seen somewhere Jamaicans say the rice and the curry chicken is the best. We've never seen Jamaicans come to brag. But The world does that. The world comes out. Not a certain country, not just one country, but all around the world. People come out and say Jamaican dish. Everybody has their own opinion on Jamaican dishes, and it's the best. Now, for this fellow who is irritated when people confuse him to be a Jamaican, I love to say this: why don't you just do what you're supposed to do? Stop playing the comparison game. We know that never ends well whenever a Jamaican is included. So you just do what you gotta do. People love Trinidad and Tobago. People love it. I'm talking from a personal experience. I've seen people praise Trinidad and Tobago. But under no circumstance have I ever seen a Jamaican come forward and compare themselves to other Caribbean countries. Never, I've never seen that. Unless you have some, give me a link. I'd love to watch, to look at that video. I'd love to, and I'll share it with you. I've never seen a Jamaican come out and say that, or rather try to play this comparison game. Jamaicans, I love you so much. To my fellow Trinidadians, I love you so much. To all other Caribbean countries, I totally love you so much. Now, my prayers goes to my people from Jamaica. I wish that we, or rather you, regain your stability soon as a country. Let's all stand up with Jamaica, because Jamaica is a country that has been helping us for a lot of times. Let's all stand with Jamaica. My prayers goes to my Jamaican friends and family. So guys, I've been your host, Tyrell Reactions. Remember, if you're watching my videos for the first time, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and also share the videos with your loved ones. So guys, until we meet again in my next video, peace out and one love.